In this video I will be sharing you guys one more airdrop called as Tap Swap. It is also, yes, you are right, it is also a tap to earn airdrop on Telegram because of the, I would say, immense support I am getting in the comments of my videos that make more videos on tap to earn Telegram airdrops. So I am here with one more airdrop right here that is gaining attention, Tap Swap airdrop. And again, short disclaimer that all these airdrops that I'm sharing, the Wave Wallet, Hamster Combat or Pixel Tap, they do not guarantee any airdrop, or if they guarantee then the allocation might be less, so don't be sad and only invest your time if you are interested in mining these airdrops. Okay, so this is a quick short disclaimer, and now let's get straight to the point. So first of all, the first link in the description is of the Tap Swap bot. Do click that only and do not click any other link, or else you can get scam also and you will be end up paying any money or your Telegram account will get hacked. So it's better to join with official referral link only of mine. Yes, it is a referral link. If you want, you can support me as well, and if you don't want, then it's okay, you can just copy the link and edit it accordingly. So the official link will be in the description. When you start the bot, all you have to do is just click on here, play. So as soon as you click, total coins you have right here, and this is the main Tap Swap coin, and this is the main energy level. It is very simple, similar to Hamster Combat. All you have to do is just tap on it like this. As much as you tap, the coins here will get increased, you can clearly see. However, the energy portion will get decreased. If you see, I am tapping, the energy portion is getting decreased. 3600 energy left, 3500 energy left. So I got total 4000 energy, and as soon as I stop tapping, the energy gets refilled again. So this is a normal tapping airdrop. All you have to do is just tap here and collect as much coins as possible right here. Well, there is a use of these coins as well. First of all, if you come here at the boost section, then you can see you can upgrade, you can use these coins to upgrade your multi-tap feature. What this will happen is, currently when I'm tapping, I'm getting plus 11 coins right here, as you can clearly see. So if I upgrade this, I will get plus 12 coins and then plus 13, and it goes on like this. The second option is the energy limit option that you can upgrade using your coins. Energy limit is similar to this right here. So you can clearly see currently my total energy is at 4000, and if I upgrade this, then it will get upgraded to greater than 4000 right here. And yeah, also there are some small tasks as well, as you can clearly see. You can join their socials, and you can register on Binance to make some coins here. 3,600,000 coins. So 3 million plus 600,000 coins you will get by doing these two tasks right here. Also, as much tap as you do, you will get as much coins. Currently I am on the silver rank, and if you accumulate 10,000 coins in one go, you will get the gold league and you can claim the coins. Similarly, platinum, diamond, master. So as soon as you level up your rank, you will get some coins here as well. This is a normal basic airdrop from Tap Swap. All you have to do is just tap here inside this and collect as much coins as possible, and use them to upgrade here in your boost section as well. And yeah, try to collect as much coins as possible. I will recommend collecting 1 million coins or more, because accumulating more than million coins will only result in a decent airdrop in money if it happens in future. Lesser than that, then I can't guarantee anything. Tap Swap community's link in the description. Do join their community as well right here. You can get latest updates on Tap Swap mining airdrop right here, like what is the listing date, what's the price of the coin when it will get listed, each and everything, and when is the last date to mine, each and everything. You will get latest updates here. So do join their community as well, link is in the description. This is the Tap Swap website right here. Decent website, not anything extra or anything I would say overloaded right here. Decent website, you can clearly see tapswap.ai. Link of this website is also in the description. Yes guys, this is the main official tapswap airdrop mining bot right here, and it is also gaining very much of popularity recently, and it is a very simple airdrop bot right here. All you have to do is just tap on the main center coin and collect as much coins as possible, use them to upgrade it, and yeah, the main motive is to collect and accumulate as much coins as possible. So do try it out if you feel like doing it, and if you feel like investing your time in it, do make sure to try it out, and also join their official Telegram community to be updated in real time. And yeah, this is it. Do check out the link in the description, first link in the description for the bot, and this is the original bot I will be mentioning in my video's description, so do use that only and do not fall for any scam. Link is in the description. And yes, see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.